Starting from your first job, when you're creating a monthly income of 25 or 30,000 rupees, or maybe much more in some other cases, that's excellent that you started creating some active income. My recommendation to be financially independent is to create a new saving account. In that account, you should not own any checkbook or a debit card or a credit card. That monthly income, at least 50% of it should go to your savings account. That savings account will accumulate over a year to a minimum investment of about 5 to 10 lakh rupees, and that's perfect down payment to buy your first commercial real estate property, which will create more income for you. So what I'm guiding all my investors and viewers is create a new saving account purely for real estate investment. Put 50% of your monthly income into that account and do not touch that money. That money is sacred. You cannot use it for shopping. You cannot use it to buy a gadget or a car, or even if it's emergency. That money will only go to real estate, which will create more income for you. You will thank me for it. Start doing it today. Go to your nearest bank and open a saving account for your real estate investment.